Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to learning AutoCAD 3D tutorial. Today's topic is 3D design T-table making. Let's start with full concentration. We are taking a circle first with 1 feet 6 inch diameter. Second one is 2 feet 6 inch diameter. Third one is 2 feet diameter. Using move command to move third circle to upward 18 inch. Click 3D modeling, open press pull command to press pull of third outer circle up to 0.5 inch. Again using move command to moving second circle to upward 18 inch. Move below circle line and draw a line up to outer radius of upper circle. Then draw an angle without ortho mode of line from below line corner to upper line corner. Fillet angle line radius. It will be 3 inch. Then move it to exact position. Now we are taking a circle of 0.5 inch diameter. Using sweep command and follow drawing instruction properly. Using polar array command and preparing 12 notch table support as per drawing. Remove unnecessary object. Using scale command to increasing table glass top up to 1.3 times. Now we are taking fillet EDGE command to fillet table's top corner and below corner. Please carefully follow video's instruction. Now it's time to open Matlab to coloring those objects. You can do it easily. See video's instruction carefully. Now we will open render environment option to go towards rendering using white background. It is not mandatory you have to use white background. You can use your light images or wallpaper. After rendering it will be looked good. If you are enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook pages. Thank you.